And how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how you can, you know, build your credit or use the credit builder in Kind. So the first option is by moving money. You need to move money into your credit builder secured amount. You can do that in the Kind app. And this is how you can do it. Just click on add money, and then they're going to be like, as you can see on the home page under credit builder card, you're going to click on add money and add whatever amount you want. Second thing is you need to spend money. But you also have to be careful about this so that you don't spend way too much and you can avoid outstanding balances. And another thing is that they don't report credit utilization, which means you can use Credit Builder without contributing to a high utilization record. Third thing is directly building credit, and you can use that for either through TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. And the second one is to ensure on-time payment by turning on the safer credit building. You can do that into settings and go under credit builder card and turn on safer credit building so that your credit is built in a good way. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.